What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane. Welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars, where I just give my thoughts and opinions on what's going on in the car community. And I said I'd do it, and today is the day. I said I'd make a quick video on the guys that comment on my videos. I want to do this like kind of every Sunday to kind of wrap up what's going on. There isn't many comments right now, but hopefully the more subscribers we get, the more comments we get. This is a discussion channel, a very interaction channel, guys. I know we're very small, but for me, I don't have any ways to kind of where I'm from to chat about this kind of stuff. And it's great to chat to you in the comments about it, whether it's good or bad. Look, guys, we can all have our opinions. Mine is just you get what I kind of see. Do you know what I mean? I'm not going to bullshit my way through it. I'm not going to try and fluff up stuff. I'm just going to call it as it is. Some people like it, some people don't. Tough shit. If you like it, great. Stick around. If you don't, it's called constructive criticism, guys. It's not trying to be bad. I'm just seeing how it is. That's just the way this channel's going to be. And that's just, if you like it, well, thanks very much anyway. If you have commented so far, guys, it means a lot to me. As I said, this channel is going to be very transparent, very honest. I'm making nothing off this at the moment. I think I've only made like €25, and you have to reach, I think, like 60 or 70 to start claiming money. So guys, as I said, very honest, very open. If you like a channel like this is the place to be. You'll be self-sufficient. Us getting a project car will depend on a lot of things. Like, I want it to be able to get its own project car by making the money off YouTube, but I am hopefully starting a business with a friend in the summer. If that takes off, I'll use that money to get a project car as well. There's a lot of ifs and buts. I'm not rich. I have a normal job like everybody else. So, this is just a bit of fun and to interact with you guys about what's going on. One or two people asked me actually, like, a bit of my, not really background. I'm an IT engineer, Monday to Friday, 8 to 4. I support the Dolphins in NFL. They're my team of teams. Don't ask about Tua and what's going on with the Sean Watson trade. I can wish, but we'd have to give up a lot of stuff to get him. I'm a Coventry City fan in soccer, or football as you say. Been supporting them since like 93, 94. So guys, I'm a normal person like everybody else, but I love my cars as you. So as I said, let's get into this. I'm just going to cover this. I don't want to drag it on too long. The way I'm going to do this, because there isn't that many comments on me, I'm just going to do it down from what comes up on my notifications. It just makes it easier. So one of this is weird. This video I did was about when Bees for Build came out about putting in a gas-powered engine into his boat, and it seems to have gotten traction for some weird reason. I know a lot of people are commenting on it. And Keith17869 said his boats do have petrol engines, and just see how it works out. I was just asking the question, guys, if he pulls off the petrol engine, great. As I said, I think it's mad because they're supposed to be made for diesel engines. On this channel, I'm learning as I go along. It's just interesting to see what way these things come out, or what he's going to do, and what people think. It's just hearing what you think, guys, and I find it interesting what you say. As long as it isn't over the top being an absolute prick to me, then it's fine. Below that then, Richard Coyne said window blown out and tailgate damage are off from the wheels in the back of the truck. So that was when Mike from Street 717 launched his TRX into the air. I think he was replying to my friend Ant about his comments saying about the frame being damaged and stuff like that. Again, that was a bit of a topic people talking about. Horizon replied, this is probably my most kind of controversial kind of one at the moment, the vehicle versions, one which I'll go into, because the reason I want to go into this is just some of the comments were said. So I tell you, he's actually a good regular comment of mine sometimes, makes some good points sometimes, and love replying to him. And he just says, good first step from Parker with the apology. I think that a lot for him to do it, but at the same time it is really good enough. I feel he need to publicly apologise directly to DD and Strad on his channel and on the gram in the exact same way he spoke against them. If he went so hard on, if he went too hard on the drugs and fucked things up, his actions have nothing to do with depression. He needs to drop that card excuse. So I kind of see this from a lot of points of views. That's why I was asking you about this. Where do you, like, are you accepting Parker's apology? Do you think he's using an excuse just to try and get the channel back on track? Do you think it's like a fake excuse, or do you think he'll actually change? I'm just asking you guys. I honestly don't know. That's why I said we have to see his first 1 to 3 videos are crucial to see if he has changed. Somebody was saying some stuff about him talking about Damon's daughter. I never heard that before either. Yeah, he came out with some messed up stuff in that live thing as well. I just don't know, guys. It's really, we're in uncharted territories. We don't know what we're going to get out of Park and vehicle versions in the next 1 to 3 videos. Is he going to go back to his old ways? Or is the damage too far gone where he won't be able to recuperate, back up the numbers? I just don't know. As I said, I'm just here to give the discussion. That's what this is all about. And he commented about Street 717's played his hand well with TRX. He's taken a big gamble with destroying the truck. He has indeed. I give him that. It's his truck and he can do what he wants. It's just not something I just think it was fucking stupid. Nothing against Mike, just wasn't for me. I said some people loved it, some people hated it. Destroying the $93,000 truck, in my mind, financially, will it make financial sense down the road? That's all I was kind of asking. Ezra Keating said, watching any nice truck or car being trashed purely for views is wrong. Lighting it on fire was a step too far for me. I know it's his truck and he can do as he wishes, but it's difficult to watch. See, so guys, as I said, just discuss this stuff in the comments. Everybody's different with their opinions. I totally get it. I'm open-minded to everybody's point of view. I give my own, and it's not to bash anybody, it's just how I feel when I see it. I just thought it was madness by Mike. Wasn't for me, but again, he can do what he wants as well. What else is there? Wrong as usual. So this was the one I was on about. Holmes' comments. That apology was BS, saying he's releasing nude photos of Damon's underage daughter, and I won't say that. In Parker's exact words, that's pedo, not anxiety. I know. That's the first I heard of that, guys. Was a comment on there. I was very kind of okay. Never heard that one before. But look, I'm just reading the comments that was put in there. Anthony, my friend, I commented on his video. Great channel. Check out Sports and Touring for some nice Nismo 370Z and Audi R8 action. That was covered, and then vehicle versions came out with his video. Is there anything else after that? Red 50, great Mustang channel. He's a Mustang GT. Check out his channel for some Mustang stuff. Gives some great stuff on the Mustang. Great little channel, and he's still under 1,000 subs, so recommend highly go over and check his channel. Another regular commenter of mine. Covered that, and then that's kind of really it. And the tall guy stuff I will not go into. It's just a big mess. I mean, like, there's some people that really stuff goes over your head when you would try to explain this discussion channel and you're not hating, you're asking questions and just trying to give your thoughts and opinions. So we'll leave that off. I wonder who will we cover. So I just want to have a look at life of Palos. Just because him covering the thing with him and Parker vehicle versions. I just wanted to see what other people said in his comment section. So, yes, see, and this is the other thing about Mike and Street Speed 717. A lot of people are saying he's copying Winston Diesel too much and he's trying to get their fans. I don't know, guys, do you think the same? Comment below. The name that shall not be spoken has been spoken. He's cost himself millions of dollars by the time he got caught a ride on the Clue bus. Well, guys, it's crazy. I mean, I said it in my other video, what do you think? Do you think Life Palos going to cover him going forward? I don't think so, unless Parker gets back up to doing 500,000 views. And I think he publicly needs to go on Instagram, as one of my other subs said, and maybe tag Life of Palos TV and stuff like that, and wholeheartedly make a video apologising them. Probably, and to really, really mean it. But if he doesn't do that, I don't think a lot of people are going to actually take him seriously. Seriously when there's no meme. He needs a direct apology, attacked everyone and needs to apologise to those direct. That's what we'd expect. I feel a Parker's apology video. I'm going to have to see how the next few months goes and then I'll make a decision. Because when you apologise an excuse to start making money again. Again, guys, everybody has their own opinions on it. It's just interesting to see what people are saying. I know Iscream covered this as well. Too. Iscream Vlogs. Iscream Vlogs, guys, is a great channel. I know he covers mostly Tall Guy and organic, but he's more like his channel covers more for stuff going on in the car community, like drama stuff, and channels just being idiots and not being a proper channel. He'll cover it and he'll do his detective work and he's very good at it, and he'll call them out. He calls out facts. That's why his channel does well. He's giving me shout outs a lot of the time. Like a lot of people like his channel because of the way he does it. He did his video on it. It's just his subs are hilarious. Like you can tell the difference in subs of each channel the way they go on. Tall Guy has no taste for cars. Them rats are hideous. Again, guys, Tall Guy and Organic have the way they do their channels. It's either people are going to like it or don't. We all have our channels that we like and we don't like. But again, constructive criticism, some people go over the top. It's just the way it is. WD is pure dummy. Diesel version is always going to be trash. I mean, again, guys, it's everybody's own opinion. Like with Diesel, I will admit I heard what he did, and I even thought it was fucking stupid. Like that's crazy. Like lesson learned there. He can try, but he would be shocker of the year. That is true. I mean, like if he comes back, guys, it'd be some story, but you really just wonder if he's going to be able to do it. Because bigger versions come back, he's irrelevant nowadays. He will never catch up with Stradman. Probably true, I say. I don't know, guys. It's crazy. Again, sorry if this went on too long. I didn't mean for it. There was just so much to read there for you. But look, hopefully you kind of like this thing. I'm planning on doing this on a Sunday. Just a bit of fun. If you want to get involved, subscribe, like, again, comment below. And I'll try and do this every Sunday. If my mic or the sound isn't great, I can't get to work with OBS while my camera's plugged into my laptop because I use my phone as my camera. So if the sound isn't as good as my other videos, I apologise. The best I could do. But yeah, guys, as I said, hope you like this. Sorry if it dragged on too long. I didn't time it like I usually do. So I'll have a video out tomorrow, guys. Thanks so much for watching the end. Do get involved. Remember, like, comment, subscribe. So till next episode, guys, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.